Whey protein is one of the 2 proteins in milk and makes up 20% of the total protein content. Whey is water-soluble and separates from casein, the other milk protein, during the cheese-making process. Whey is then purified and used in different types of foods and protein products such as protein powders and bars. Whey protein powder offers benefits for those interested in preserving and building muscle. It is a high-quality protein rich in essential and branched-chain amino acids. Therefore, research has shown that whey protein is great for individuals who want to build or maintain muscle mass. It is not only for those in the fitness realm either. Senior citizens may also benefit from this supplement to help them maintain muscle mass and possibly avoid ailments associated with aging. Whey protein is beneficial for those who are trying to manage or lose weight. Since whey is a protein source, it influences and increases the feeling of being full and regulates blood sugar levels. Both of these help to control hunger and promote weight loss. Whey also consists of leucine, which is a branched-chain amino acid. Leucine, when combined with exercise, plays a role in metabolic regulation by promoting lean muscle tissue and increasing fat loss. Whey protein also has immunity and heart health benefits. Immunoglobulin is an antibody in whey. This increases the activity level of the immune system. Whey also has lactoferrin, which helps to protect against certain viruses. In terms of heart health benefits, conducted research has found volunteers who consumed whey experience higher levels of HDL, which is your good cholesterol, better blood pressure readings, and excellent triglyceride levels. Whey protein is a common protein supplement. Often in powder or bar form, athletes and non-athletes will add whey protein to their diets to increase protein consumption throughout the day. Whey is especially useful for the athlete right after a workout because it is easily digested and absorbs much faster than other forms of protein. There are different kinds of whey protein powders: whey powder, whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, hydrolyzed whey protein concentrate, and hydrolyzed whey protein isolate. Choosing the right one for your goals is important. For an example, whey isolate has the greatest percentage of protein content at 90 to 95%. It also has the lowest percentage of lactose at 0.5 to 1%, which is attractive to those who are lactose intolerant. Isolate also contains the lowest amount of fat, which is also at 0.5 to 1%. Compare that to whey powder, which is only 11 to 14.5% protein, 63 to 75% lactose, and 1 to 1.5% fat. Whey powder is more often found in bakery and dairy goods as opposed to sports supplements. The amount of whey protein to supplement should depend on a person's goals. For example, a sedentary adult only needs 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Therefore, their regular diet might be enough and there's not a reason to supplement. A muscle-building athlete may need up to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight, so supplementation makes sense. As mentioned, there are many positive health and fitness benefits to consuming whey protein. Not only is it a convenient way to reach your daily macro goal, but whey can also improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next chapter.